technical trader to techtrader.com. These are the charts of the day. It's spiking up out of a consolidation pattern that lasted all day. A lot of stocks were popping today. Let's take a look at a couple dozen that we're following right now. AFRM, obviously a tech trader swing, and it has been for weeks, has now climbed from the August low around 16.5 to today's high over 50, nearly a triple. And looking like it's even headed higher. Let's take a look at the long-term chart. A lot of resistance in this zone. You may want to think about taking some profits off the table, but you get to this area, you might very well see the stock make a move much higher. The next target probably be around 59. Wow. We'll see if that happens. Right now, though, overbought. Like money stocks. AI, popping today. Came out of a mini wedge. It's search at one point up to almost 34, close 32, 27 up 167, 5.5%. But that level of today's high, above that level, you might see something around 37 and then 41. AVXL, a good day today for that one. 997 up 118. You can see the chart showing a big surge. You can see the multiple highs in this area, so, and it's a channel top, so there might be some resistance and or pullback. But your next target is 11.75. CDNA, a swing of ours. Beautiful long-term declining channel broken. Here's a stock that traded almost 100. What was that? $95. They took this down to 5 from 95. V bottom with a platform flag and a breakout today. Pop of $1.63 or 16.5%. It's right at resistance. You get through here, you might see 14.5, and as high as maybe 17.5. CGEN, explosive move on monster volume of 138.5 million shares. It went fourfold, closing at about a $2, but it's broken out of a large, started something much bigger. CHWY, breaking out of a base as well with a nice surge today. This is a $2 gain or about 9.5%. Your next target is 28. CRNX, CRNX, like this overall look a lot. Today it spiked from 33.25 to 37.88. It finished 37.59 up 434, 13% gain. Really strong move. This is a tech trader swing. Carvana, also looking really good. Just broke through a double top today. I can see this stock getting to the 70 range near term. Lots of Momo. For solar, huge move from the solar leader for solar. And you can see that after the down channel broke, the stock broke out and retested, a higher low, broke through resistance, and now maybe on its way to 190, and maybe as high as 2. Follow through today. It's going to need to get to the spike high from September, just under 1860. That's your first target. Get beyond that, maybe something in the low 20s. Gold starting to come on strong. JNUG and Nugget. Here's your JNUG, and here's your Nugget. Look like base is broken, retested, and broken back out again. We gained 5.6% on Nugget and 7% on JNUG. Pretty strong move today. Extension target on JNUG 41. Nugget would be also about 41, 41.5. NKTX popped sharply. As a day trade, it went from 309 to 394, finished 385, up 73 cents or 23.5% on 1.3 million. Not a lot of volume, but that's a thinly traded stock. You can see that this stock once traded in the 50s, 60s range. Come all the way down. It may have been based and breaking out here. Next target, 5. Nova, another solar stock popped out. 2 days. stock spiked up $1.06 or 11.5%. Target would be resistance at 12. Plse, Biosciences, after surging from under 4 to almost 11, stock went into a 3-week consolidation coil. Then it exploded out of it. 975 to 1306 and finished 1247 up 272, 28% gain. 1.4 million is a lot for this stock. Follow through target is 15. Old swing POWL from back in August when it popped and coiled around 76, mid 70s, has made it to the mid 90s. Today was a key breakout to a triple top. I can see the stock running into all the way up to 125 at some point. RIVN, automotive, 5 days in a row up from under 18 to over 24. There's some resistance right in the zone, so be careful. If it does get through, though, might see 27.5. Sunrun, another today jumped $1.40 or 8%. You can see the breakaway gap and run into resistance. 22.3 is your target. Sigma Lithium, inverse head and shoulder type pattern or V bottom right hand extension, but the pop, the reversal, engulfing reversal day yesterday was key. Today followed through with another $1.30. The declining top sign around 35 is your next target. Unity Software also extending after reversing and coiling. We put a swing on it. It's moved very nicely from the high 20s to the 41 range. My next target is 47.8. And finally, Upstart, also looking good and also a day trader swing. Popped, flagged, and broke out. And it's extending. The next target, 52, and then 58.60. Let's look at some of the really hot stocks at techtrader.com. Good night, everybody.